Introducing Singapore's #1 PSLE Math problem solver. Today, we are going to attempt a very common average question.
Ready to dive into the question and discover how Singapore's #1 problem solver unlocks it? Let's go. Before we solve it, let's break down the question together.
Simon, Mark, and Wilson sat for their math exam. The average score of Simon and Mark was 85 marks. The average score of Mark and Wilson was 91 marks. The average score of Simon and Wilson was 82 marks.
A. What was the average mark of the three boys?
B. Simon's mark was recorded incorrectly. He was given an additional of 7.5 marks. What is the correct average score of the three boys?
Time to get to the bottom of this. What's the question telling us?
Hey, if this video was a lifesaver for you, why not hit that subscribe button? Your likes and shares keep us super motivated to produce more awesome content to help students conquer their PSLE. Let's go and solve it. To find the average score of all three boys, we first need to find their total combined score. We can do this by using the average scores given. Since Simon and Mark, their average is 85, their total score is 85 times 2 equals 170. Mark and Wilson average is 91, so their total score is 91 times 2 equals 182. Simon and Wilson average is 82. So their total score is 82 times 2 equals 164. If we add the total scores of all three pairs together, we get the combined score of each boy, but counted twice. This value, 516, represents the combined score of Simon, Mark, and Wilson, with each boy's score counted twice. To find the total score of all three boys, we divide this number by 2. The total combined score of the three boys is 258 marks. Now, we can find the average score of the three boys by dividing their total score by the number of boys. The average score of the three boys is 86 marks. Simon's mark was recorded incorrectly, giving him an additional 7.5 marks. This means the total combined score we found in Part A is also inflated by 7.5 marks. To find the correct total score, we simply subtract the additional 7.5 marks from the combined score of 258. The correct total score for the three boys is 250.5 marks. Finally, we find the correct average score by dividing the correct total score by the number of boys. The correct average score of the three boys is 83.5 marks. Do you want to know the secret? Check the caption. Thank you for tuning in. Share your thoughts.